Alright, what you're about to hear is the sound of baby birds that's getting fed. They have a nest behind my window shed thing over here. Where we have this sliding wall we can slide to protect the windows. And we keep it closed because there's a nest behind that area. And every summer, it's like April 10th today, or April 9th. And right now, the baby birds are being fed. And it happens every year. It's kind of a special moment. It's a natural alarm clock. Right now it's 7 o'clock. 7:30. Right now it's 7:30. It happens every year around this time. Baby bird always make a noise. Then when the mama bird come back to feed them, they go bananas. You can kind of hear some crows in the back. Dog barking. Visuals are not anything because I'm just laying in the bed. Listening to the natural alarm clock. Let's hear it one more time before I leave. Well, that's it. It goes on for a while. I'll end this video now.